In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a page that lets upload photos in Flutterflow. We'll start inside your Flutterflow project by creating a brand new page for this feature. Open the project, go to the Pages section, and click Add Page. Give the page a clear name, such as Upload Photo, so it's easy to identify later as your project grows. Once the page is created, it's time to design the layout. Add a column widget to keep everything neatly stacked in a vertical structure. Inside that column, insert a text widget to serve as the page title. This helps users immediately understand what the page is for. Next, add an image widget. This will be the area where the selected or uploaded photo is displayed. After that, add a button and label it Upload Photo. This button will trigger the media selection and upload process. Before the upload can work, you need to connect cloud storage. Open the settings area in Flutterflow and connect the project to Firebase. If Firebase Storage is not enabled yet, make sure to enable it. This is important because the image needs a place to be stored after the user selects it from their device or camera. Now select the Upload Photo button and open the Actions panel. Click Add Action, then choose Select Media. This action allows users to either pick an image from their device or take a new photo using the camera. That flexibility is useful because some users may already have a photo ready, while others may want to capture one on the spot. Right after the Select Media action, add another action. This time choose Upload Media to Firebase Storage. Select the image that was just chosen, then save the returned image URL. That URL is what connects the uploaded file in storage to the rest of your app. Next, select the image widget on the page and bind its source to that uploaded image URL. This is what makes the image appear on the screen after the upload finishes. Once that's done, preview the page and verify that the selected photo shows up correctly. If you want to keep the photo available later, you can also add a Create Document or Update Document action. Save the image URL to your Firebase Firestore or Supabase database. This optional step is helpful if the uploaded photo needs to be tied to a user profile, a post, or any other stored record. Finally, click Run or Preview and test the full flow. Tap Upload Photo, choose an image from the gallery or camera, and confirm that the image uploads successfully and appears on the page. That's it. You now have a working photo upload page in Flutterflow.